Hey guys, are you a person who feels entirely passed out after school? Do you feel like you no longer have any mood to study after coming home? Then this is the right place to be in. Today I will guide you with 3 life-saving hacks, including a bonus tip to study productively after coming home from school. So, moving on to tip number 1. Get a good sleep. This is the most important tip you must follow if you want to study productively after school. As we keep on learning for nearly 5 to 6 hours at school, our brain feels exhausted, and that's the reason we don't feel like studying after school. So taking a good sleep helps your brain to rest, and not only that, it makes you feel refreshed to study. Don't worry about the time left to study because, for example, if you get a good sleep from 4 to 6:45 pm, you can study from 7 pm to 12 pm, which gives you 5 hours of time to study productively. However, some people just scroll on Instagram Reels, watch movies in order to get some rest and then study. Does this really work? It's a huge no. This only makes your brain become more tired. So always remember to get a good sleep if you want to study productively after school. Tip number 2. Don't have a start time. When we usually write our to-do list, we write a start time. However, we don't feel like starting to study as we really don't know when our study session would end. This makes us to feel procrastinated. So instead, set yourself an end time. This would help you to feel motivated and start studying your study material as you know that you have to end before a particular time. For example, my end time for studying every day is 10 pm. You can use this for your after school routine as well. However, you can also find a time that's comfortable for you to end your study session. And it doesn't matter what time you start, just stop studying at the time you set as your end time. Tip number 3. Cut down your to-do list. Some of us just write a whole chunk of to-do tasks on our to-do list, but looking at it itself makes us feel demotivated. We start to think, how am I going to finish this? How am I going to complete all these things? Then here's the solution for that. Write the most important task to complete for the day and the task to complete if you have time separately. For example, reading your textbook before class. Is it really compulsory to do it if you have a math exam tomorrow? No. So separating these tasks into 2 makes you feel at ease and allows you to complete your task more efficiently and conveniently. Now for the bonus tip. If you feel sleepy while studying at night, try to walk instead of sitting while studying because you'll obviously feel sleepy and tired if you sit on a chair for a long time. Try to make some movements while you are studying as this makes you to be more alert and continue your study session more productively. However, if you feel that you no longer are able to carry on your study session, stop it immediately and go take a good night's sleep and wake up early in the morning and continue your study session. This is because I personally believe that studying while you are sleepy and tired will not be productive as you would not gain anything. So that's it for this video. If you made it this far, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to comment how this video helped you to continue your study session productively. I have a bunch of videos lined up to be uploaded in the future, so make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video.